SERV stock analysis and price predictions. This is no BS, no fluff, 1-minute video showing you my exact play. I'm the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos and actually documented them all, and then still ultimately looking at SERV. I looked it up so much when it was actually going up. I have 3 links, 3 longs, and then ultimately all I care about the most here is whether the price breaks above the lows or beneath. Now think of it this way, right? This whole thing right here, it's a zone where the price either breaks below or beneath, and whatever actually happens first, that's how I will act. I'm gonna react, I'm not gonna assume, right? So that's how SERV is looking like. Mark it down the lows, boom, there you go. And if you want to learn how making 5 to 10k per month without indicators, then yeah, just go ahead and click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Other than that, this is all pure noise. Goodbye.